Boom. Hey Husband Gang, so I'm back with another video, and it's your girl, one and only Lamont. So I'm back. I'm finna do a prank. Fuck, she coming. Oh yeah, I had to turn the camera off. I had to hear it behind the camera because she was coming in. I'm in her room. She downstairs in my room. Okay, we got the same headboard though. I like it. It's blue. It's pretty royal. But yeah, I'm gonna get her with the acting ghetto. With the acting ghetto prank, period. Or with the acting ghetto, acting ratchet. I'm gonna be acting ratchet and I got my little brother on the phone. Look at him, y'all. Wait. Daddy, show your face. Daddy, show your face. He don't want to show his face. I got him on the phone and it's gonna go motherfucking down. Yeah, I'm gonna act on ghetto. I'm gonna act on ratchet. You know how I am. I'm gonna be very over the top and just dramatic. Yeah, this bitch came. I'm talking about you in here. Y'all look at Miss Mama. Leave me alone, mama. Leave me alone, mama. Leave me alone, mama. Leave me alone. Okay, so y'all just stay tuned. We're gonna be back. I'm gonna pick you back up. I'm act like I'm vlogging. I said, yeah, we vlogging that shit. Cause she keeps saying, yeah, bitch, you ain't never got me back. You ain't never got me back. I'm gonna get you back, bitch. Yeah. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so I'm back in the car. She is in my mama's house right now, and I'm finna get her ass. We finna go take pictures, and we really gonna have y'all coming along with us. But like, why I'm taking pictures? I'm be acting like real good. I'm be like, I'm talking wow. I'm gonna be like, girl, stop motherfucking playing with me. Man, bitch, drive this car. Man, drive. What is the hood niggas at? Girl, I don't know. I'm gonna be saying all type of shit. So I'm gonna be saying all type of shit, and y'all just need to. Cause y'all be saying, y'all, why you ain't get back on my bag? I ain't get back on my bag. Bitch, I'm finna get her back in now. Y'all don't mind this. Somebody burnt me with a damn cigarette. But yeah, you know the baddest bitch checking in. Hey, it's me. What the fuck is up? What is up? We back with another video. We taking pictures right now. Even though I ain't gonna fuck with me here. So y'all stay tuned to the pictures, even though y'all gonna see them for this video. And we gotta change 2 more outfits. This is our daily routine, y'all. We ain't been filling out pictures. We've been coming here and we've been filling out pictures, so we just leave. So we coming back and we finna ace these pictures so we can drop them on our website, shophusbandtwins.com, and we dropping a new purse today. Yes, sir. I'ma call that purse a little ratchet. Keeping it classy. You know, cause one white called keeping it classy, the black one gonna be called a little ratchet. That's gonna be loud. So y'all finna watch us take pictures. I might fast forward a little bit. I know y'all want to so I might do like 30 seconds of us taking pictures, and y'all stay tuned for our day. The fuck? Okay, y'all, we back. We at a whole different location. We take some pictures. We had to go to a different location because it wasn't giving a girl. Oh, here you go. Giving the girl the vibe. Here you go, girl. Yeah. I'm fucking sweet, yeah. It wasn't giving the girls the vibes. No. Come on, let's go. Oh, you took my home? I'm gonna take pictures. Alright, we're gonna take pictures right now, guys. I'm gonna fast forward like here you go. Come on, you like you shut up. Because you're like, come on. I ain't got no fucking punch me, girl. You're not punching me, girl. I mean, because we on camera. And you know what my mommy and my daddy said that we act like that on camera. Don't hear me. Hold on. I gotta show you how to do it. Just get this up. This up, okay? Not the thing. No. You see what I'm doing? We got 2 offense and Jada. Speed up. I'm just gonna give me a lollipop. Like a lollipop. I can't get it. And know. But what did the lip gloss at? You know. Oh, y'all, and we sell these, by the way. When we have on, we dropping these. I told them that already. I need everybody to go shop. This is a new release. New release. If you know, like, when a girl put a lot of lip gloss on, it make it look so much better. Like, man, come on. I wish I had my hoops on. I would have been a bad bitch with some hoops on. Girl, don't cuss on the video. Big, nasty, but classy. Right here. Come on. Man, you probably doing too much. Shabuya. You're not giving me like this. It's not giving me angles at all. You're not giving me angles at all. I'm ready for the next outfit change. Come right here. Yeah, come on. Be here in my truth. Now she's scared to be in the vlog. It's not gonna put her in the vlog. She's gonna be scared to be in the vlog. Lazoria. You gonna be on. That girl acting baby. Girl, come on. Well, yeah, we'll be back when we go to the next fit. So, y'all, we finna go change and change the outfit too. Shabuya. So, y'all, stay tuned. Yeah, we back in the car. We finna get ready to do outfit. Y'all, I'm so tired. Put it on here. 3. It's so tired. Y'all, oh my god. Tired. Cause at this point, I'm just like, what the motherfucking niggas at? Why you always doing that whole shit? Saying that whole shit. Cause baby girl, the girls is tired. Cause it's very much giving me tired eyes. Very much giving me tired. And I'm very much tired of my edges. Brother, y'all like you miss me when I'm busy on the road. Who's bad? You see the outfit, bitch? I'm kidding you hoes. Why do you gotta cuss in my video? You see the outfit and you know what it costs. He's going too far now, like seriously. Look at how my poke guy when I walk. Yes, sir. What you doing all that shit for real? Cause you doing too much. Don't snatch no camera on my fucking hand like this. Girl, shut up. Like, people just be, baby girl, be quiet, baby. For real, baby. Be quiet, baby. Bitch, why don't fucking do that? Be quiet. Everything. Like, you going too far. I'm finna call mama. She always trying to call you somebody. Always be showing out when that fucking camera come on. I was trying to call somebody. Every time the camera on, you want to do all this. Baby, baby, you don't gotta call nobody man me. You don't gotta call nobody man me. Why the fuck is you saying man me? Why you change your voice like that? You don't gotta call nobody. My mama is not a man bitch, she's a mama. You don't gotta call nobody man me like I said. But I call your father. Hey girl, chill out for real. Word the mouth. And I'm gonna get her back the camera because the bad bitch is checking out. Girl, why are you doing all that? Like, I think when she get on camera, y'all, she don't be know how to act like. I think the camera get to her head because she just be acting ghetto and bitch, I'm a whole different person. Just doing the most. You doing too much. Bitch, I'm a 5-star chick. Hey, you love the 5-star. Hold on, cause that girl say, I just got in Tiffany. I need to go Tiffany. Whoa. I know you ain't doing something about blind. That girl say, I don't pay help. I don't need help. I pay those bills on time. So stop, big mama. Use a 3-star. Okay, this how you want to come. So stop, little mama. Use a 2-star. And I just got them. And I was finna sing. I finna eat her. She trying to play with me, so I'm finna get her real quick. So stop, little mama. Use a 2-star. You and your nigga, you and your bae, y'all some losers. And I said it. Did I stutter? No, I did it. Bitch, come on, let me fuck. I'm a bad bitch. Coming down Post Oak. Coming down Acres Home. Yeah, I'm from the ward. Yeah, I'm from the wood.
Anywhere I go comfortably. And the hoe would never ever fuck with me.
Fuck
and that's
with me.
on period.
Fuck with me. They won't fuck with me. Or they won't see me. Or you won't touch me. Because I'm outside with the TV. And I'm outside with the glizzy. Which if somebody run up on me. So stop playing. You know I'm saying.
Anywho, any rumor about me, let me
dead it.
I'm an open
Big.
book.
Y'all see y'all in outfit number 3.
Y'all, we back. Taking our cousin some pictures. I can't wait till I go to the damn club. I want some Hennessy, 1942, me please. Shut up, for real. 1942, a real bro, be quiet, bro. You been gobbing on my ear for the longest. It's about some irrelevant shit. Acting like you don't need to be acting on how you be acting on the regular. Like I said, 1942. It's not even how you act on the regular. I want some Hennessy. Give me a whole bottle, please. It's not even how you act on the regular. We never going to no club. Why you even? Oh, baby, you don't never know what we finna do. It's a loud car right here.
Ain't it amazing? Only God can